How to play a YouTube video frame by frame. First of all, after playing the video, you must pause it. So click on the pause button and then you can use the comma and the dot. So comma is going backward frame by frame. I'm pressing the comma and now I'm pressing the dot. Now it's going forward. So backward with comma and forward with the dot. You can use your own keyboard, but for this example let's just use an on-screen keyboard so that we can see what's happening. So I use these two, the comma and the dot. It also has a back arrow and a forward arrow, or left or right arrow. To show the commands you have to use the question marks, more exactly with shift. So first activate the YouTube video, that window, then press shift and question mark. Okay, and here are the commands. More exactly, previous frame while it's paused is the comma and the next frame is the dot. So these two will move your video forward one frame or backward one frame. Okay, so let's play it once again and then pause it. Okay, and back with the comma, frame by frame, and forward with the dot. So that's how to play a YouTube video frame by frame, forward and backward.